Hi friends, this is Priyu and you all are welcome to my channel Priyu's Crafty Wings. How are you? I hope you all are well. Today I'll show you how to make these types of beautiful cute bangles using only newspaper. So no more talk, let's start. At first I am taking a large piece of newspaper and also I am taking a stick. I am rolling this newspaper using this stick, rolling it properly. After rolling it, using little amount of glue and stick it. So now my all newspaper sticks are ready. I am taking a newspaper stick and pressing on it. Pressing has done completely. So now I am taking my old bangle here. I am also taking a newspaper stick on it. Now I am wrapping this on this bangle. Hold it properly with your hands. Now I am using a little amount of glue and stick it. Again I am applying glue and wrapping another newspaper stick on this. Step by step I am rolling it. I have used total 3 newspaper sticks for making one piece of bangle. After doing this, I am removing the original bangle from this newspaper roll. My bangle bases are ready now. I am taking a fabric cloth. I am cutting this with a scissor. I am taking a piece of cloth, using glue the both sides of this fabric cloth. Now I am folding this from both sides. This is ready. Again I am taking a newspaper bangle and applying glue on its body and wrapping this cloth properly. I am wrapping this using glue. This is very much easy. Whenever it will be done, cut the extra cloth, apply glue on the cloth and stick it. So this bangle is ready now. This is looking very much beautiful. Again I am taking a bangle base. Now I am taking a jute rope roll, using glue on this newspaper bangle. I am blending this with my fingers. Now I am wrapping this jute rope on this bangle. Don't make any gap do it properly. Again I am applying glue. Now I am wrapping a red jute rope roll on it. Wrapping this properly again. This is a red colored jute rope. This color is so much cute. You can choose any other color. So this bangle is ready now. I am taking 2 seashell. We call it kori. Now I am using glue on it. I am attaching this on this bangle. After attaching this, dry it now. This bangle is completely ready now. My all bangles are ready. These are very much cute and beautiful. I am wearing my bangles on my hands. Look at this, how beautiful they are. Do you like this video? Comment below. See you soon. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye. And thanks for watching.